Hello everyone. In this class, I would like to explain how the energy production takes place in the living organisms. That is our aim. So, how heat energy produced in living organisms. In our textbook, there is an experiment given for this. What is that given experiment? To prove the production of heat energy during respiration. What are required materials? As you can see here, there is thermometer and there is a bottle or there is a flask, and inside this bottle or flask we need to take the sprouting seeds or the germinating seeds and close the mouth of the lid, and we have to make a hole at the middle of the lid to insert the thermometer to the bottle. Now these are the materials what we require. We know the aim of our experiment. We know the required materials. Now let us see the procedure. What is our procedure here? Arrange the apparatus as shown in the figure. Leave this experiment for few minutes. Because of respiration in germinating seeds, because of cellular respiration, as we can say like this. So, because of cellular respiration, the germinating seeds are producing heat, isn't it? Why? Because during respiration, when glucose molecule break down along with the carbon dioxide, if it is in the presence of oxygen, along with the carbon dioxide, energy will be produced. That energy is in the form of heat. The produced energy by germinating seeds, when the energy produced by germinating seeds, released energy reacts with the mercury that is present in the thermometer, and when it reacts with the mercury, we do know very well, it expands on the scale of thermometer. It shows that germinating seeds are able to produce the heat energy during the time of respiration. Okay? This is the experimental procedure. Now, what is your observation in this experiment? After arranging the apparatus, when I closed the lid, after few minutes, I had observed the rising of thermometer levels, or I had seen the mercury levels raised in the thermometer. That indicates heat produced during respiration. What is your precaution in this experiment? Carefully, we have to close the mouth of the bottle with the lid. We have to insert thermometer without any gap in the lid or in the mouth of the bottle. That are your precautions. Now, after this, conclusion we have to write. What is your conclusion? By the above experiment, I had observed the thermometer levels or mercury levels raised in the thermometer, that indicates heat energy is produced in the germinating seeds during the respiration. This is our experiment. Okay? And this is our today's experiment on heat energy production. Clear, students? We will meet in the next session once again with a new topic. Until stay tuned. Have a nice day. Thank you.